Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. In this tutorial we will learn sweep tool. Sweep tool basically sweep a sketch profile or a planar face or a solid body along a path. So for that we need to create over a sketch, and then we will create a path for that. This is a sketch. Exit the sketch, and then I will create a path for this sketch. So to create a path, I create a line, and then I will create a spline like this. Give a tangent relation here, and this is my rough sketch. Exit the sketch. Now go to sweep tool. In profile I will select this profile, and for the path I will choose this path, and then we can notice how a new model will create. This is how we can create a sweep tool. If we want to make it shell, then we can create a shell on these faces. The next is Loft. The Loft command creates a smooth surface body that transition between two or more sketch profiles or planar faces. For that, create a sketch for the Loft, and create a center rectangle. Exit a sketch. Now I will create a plane, and a plane will be offset plane. Create a sketch on this plane, and again I will create a center rectangle. We need another plane. Create a sketch on this new plane, and again rectangle. This. Now go to Loft. This is my first profile, and right in the right side we can notice this is our first profile, this is the second, and this is third. So we can notice that how Loft creates any sketch in 3D. This is also very helpful tool. Here is an option of a guide type. We can add guides for this. If I click OK, and I create another sketch, and again I will create another circle, and then I will create a guide for this circle. So I will use spline. Go to Loft feature, and select the first profile, and then second. Then we will use these as guides, and look at this. and this is how it will change the shape of a loft feature. So we can create complex geometries and complex models by using a loft and sweep option. After this we have a rib option. For the rib I will create a geometry. Extrude this. Now I can create a sketch on this plane, and I will create a line like this, and coincident the line with this vertical line, and this point with this horizontal line. Exit the sketch, go to a rib option and select the profile. Now we can give the thickness, and we can change its sides also. We can flip the direction to make rib like this, and if we want to make it a symmetry on both sides, then we can change the direction to make it symmetric. Click OK. Now our rib is ready. In the next video we will learn web, emboss and other tools. So if you like this video, hit a like button and subscribe for more interesting tutorials related to Fusion 360. Thank you.